GMT truly rose 36.35% in 7 days in a by and large significant manner. Bull controlled GMT's kind of current cost activities, or so they especially thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN most certainly is floating at $346,717,663 in a fundamentally significant manner. Current STEPN cost by and large is $0.29. 23 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and generally attempt to answer these as often as possible. Basically clarified pressing issues, facts. What certainly is especially transient cost expectation for STEPN. Explicitly is GMT a for the most part wise speculation, or so they most certainly thought. STEPN support and opposition levels and so forth, which in a real sense is very huge. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, fundamentally let us for the most part discuss the genuinely current economic situations, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. The truly complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $23,363,779,520, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 48.56% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $30,172.69 level after a vertical development of 1.17%, or so they especially thought. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.71%, coming to $1,897.29 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. While distributing this blog, XRP exchanged at 75 cents following a value change of 0.37% within a similar time period, which by and large is genuinely critical. BNB, the especially local coin of BNB, essentially is up by 0.7 and as of now exchanging at $243.64. Extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. These occasions truly show that the market generally is going in a very descending bearing for truly present moment, or so they in every practical sense thought. Right now, a sort of broad essentially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, really in spite of prevalent thinking. STEPN backing and obstruction backing and opposition explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to generally distinguish genuinely key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there in a real sense, was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole digital money market to $1,207,461,109,687, which explicitly is genuinely huge. Support basically is a level at which purchasers by and large become commonly more really dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they thought. Similarly, opposition especially is a level at which merchants essentially become move certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Following in every practical sense are the help and opposition levels of STEPN, GMT, STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN GMT certainly is at 29 cents, up 25.02% in every way that really matters. Recent hours and in a real sense has a value change of 36.35% throughout the week, which in a real sense shows that yet prior to jumping commonly profound into the GMT specialized examination, truly let us most certainly discuss the especially current economic situations, which by and large is genuinely huge. 1 day exchanging volume for BTC basically is $346,717,663.00 United States dollars, while especially complete market cap came to $319,776,041 United States dollars. So similarly, opposition fundamentally is a level at which merchants sort of move essentially dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents. In the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely huge way. There essentially are very nearly 1,104,192,453 truly are available for use out of 5,566,425,803, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of large way. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for 23 July 2023, insight and in every way that really matters, day-to-day time span, generally made sense of beneath. So yet prior to jumping extremely profound into the GMT specialized examination, basically let us especially discuss the genuinely current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. We utilize truly relative strength INDEX RSI, moving certainly normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including in every practical sense, straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal. EMA to examine the future development of the STEPN.THE truly relative strength record. RSI shows that the GMT coin sort of is close oversold zone, as RSI certainly is at 37, exhibiting that stepn backing and obstruction, sort of are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours, there especially was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,461,109,687 in a very enormous manner, while GMT's Williams % R marker for the most part is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an impartial condition. A exchange certainly signal by and large is conceivable at this reach. Sort of additional appearance how BNB the especially local coin of BNB fundamentally is up by 0.7 and at present exchanging at $243.64, which in every practical sense is very critical. The MACD line essentially is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, extremely further appearance. How 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN especially is drifting at $346,717,663 in an unobtrusive manner. STEPN financial backers need to generally hang tight